opposite for a second. Like, what the hell have you ordered?
Yeah. Running into shop always. Welcome, ladies and gents. What have we got here? It's a pallet.
It's a tiny thing on a big pallet.
I'm super excited by this. You guys are going to be really excited too. This video is literally just an unboxing video, but just to discuss bits and pieces about it all. You don't know everything I bought, do you?
No, I don't. I know the biggest thing that's here,
Yes.
but then there seems to be a box. It's more for me than you guys actually. So
Yeah.
okay.
Don't you worry about it. We'll just switch you off. No.
Yeah.
So let's get unboxing.
What do you get? Try not to kill the bungees if you can help it, because they'll be useful for other
Oh,
things
yeah.
in the future.
True. So this is
Fragile.
Fragile, yeah.
Yeah.
Fragile. This so
It's a good start.
I have managed to find a really good Pulsar breaker, and they are really good. You've got to be patient, but you get some great stuff from them. This stuff, you're gonna. Oh, it took ages to find this stuff. It took ages and ages. Let's do the box first. Let's just leave that comfortably there.
Uh-oh.
We'll show you that. That's the biggest thing. You guys are gonna love that. So this stuff, this is all like finishing touches.
Oh, it needed some cardboard.
Yeah,
this is going to actually look great on the inside.
Yeah. So this is finishing touches for the car, basically. 10 guesses?
What's that, a dashboard?
No.
Oh,
no, it is.
It is?
No, it is actually. Yeah, it is the dashboard.
All right, Nick. Wow. Look at the difference.
I know.
Well, the fact that it hasn't got a big hole.
Exactly.
The reason he's bought it, I can tell, is there's a hole here cut into.
Except for the single
plaster
thing.
load.
Yeah. Go show them.
So just remember that for a second, and in we go.
Terrible.
Oh. Yeah. See, big hole.
Cut it for the single din.
They just
Hacked away.
That's awful. Well, that's gonna look great, mate.
Yeah, isn't it? Isn't that gonna look so good? And look at the condition of it.
It's not cracked or anything, is it?
No, near perfect. I'm really pleased with that. That's
Clips
great.
all there.
All the clips are solid, even the holes down here.
Wow.
Yeah, I think maybe.
Yeah, that one's broken, but it doesn't matter because it'll
Well,
hold
that's
in.
fine,
Right.
but you got the screws there anyway.
Yeah.
Fucking trains. Anyway, that's really good. That's get number one.
Yep.
We're
Watch
all
him tread on
happy
that
with
in a minute.
Yeah. Really happy with that.
What is this? Whoa.
This we actually have to install pronto because there's one which is broken in this car and it won't pass the MOT otherwise. This is just in the rear. So just something small, something quick. This one, again, super important actually because you need it for an MOT.
Yep.
So I'm glad it arrived. It says centre, but it doesn't really matter. We'll just go for whatever one.
You don't need that for an MOT
you not? I thought you
if you
did.
took the seats out. So you take the seats
Oh, well,
out,
we're
take
not
it for an
doing
MOT.
We're not doing that.
You can cheat that.
Definitely not doing that. Show you. Yeah, let's show you this one first. You're going to want to take. We're going to take this round to the back as well. This is the one I'm most impressed about. Oh yes, a little bit sticky because they're sticky.
It's Nissan, isn't it? So that's had a leak at some point.
Beautiful stuff, isn't it? Never mind. This is.
That's a brand new wheel.
Yeah, but honestly, look at the condition of these tail lights versus
Rear lights.
what? Yeah, tail lights.
Rear lights.
Look at the difference.
Well, I mean, straight away, there's a big crack in this one, so I'd say that's.
But it just looks clean. Even the white's better.
Oh yeah,
cloudy.
there's actually a weird little smudge that just about comes up there. That's in there.
Yeah.
Oh no, that was dirt.
So come straight back out and have a look. Of them both. No, side by side.
Yeah, mate, I'm quite
right.
far back.
I think that's great. I'm happy with that as a get. That's awesome.
Just to fix the crack, mate, it looks loads better.
Yeah. Well, I got two. So I got both. I got two of these. Ready to go.
No one likes an unsightly crack. So what else is in another one?
So I've got another one. We've also got.
Oh, what are those things? Oh, they're indicators, aren't they?
So yeah. So these are for the fronts, and it's mainly because this was all perishing and it's coming away, look.
Oh yeah,
So-
and actually that's a hell of a lot clearer. You can see in the video,
Yeah.
it just looks nicer, it looks cleaner. But
Yeah.
again, that could just be because the car's filthy. But
Yeah, maybe, but it's more for this rubber
yeah,
that I was
we see it
concerned
all
about.
wiggling around, can't
So
you?
this is solid and on here.
That's great.
Yeah, isn't that good? Isn't that really, really good? That with the brand new headlights that we've got.
Yeah, you've
go
got.
on.
Ooh, I'm going to truck it in a minute.
So I've got another one. Again, look at that.
Just being let down by that big front bumper now, isn't it? So once that's
True.
sorted, it'll look great.
True. And then another tail light with some more of that U-Tool stuff on it.
Yeah, we'll clean it all
But
up.
again,
No
perfect
cracks.
condition, really, really good condition.
I think your other side's actually okay though, isn't it?
No.
Oh no, it's not. It's
down both.
exactly the same space.
Yeah, crack down both of them. It's the weirdest thing. It is the weirdest thing, mate.
And it's had so much crappy polish on it in the past.
Yeah.
The polish has actually whitened all the plastic around the logos.
Yeah.
I think that's all right on those ones, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, no, this is all.
Yeah, so it's not.
Yeah.
Talking about down
So
there.
this has got some butol on it. That sort of.
Stop saying butol.
It is.
It sounds really. Yeah, but stop saying butol, you
Whatever.
weirdo.
Whatever. Whatever.
Right.
Put
So.
that down there. And I think. Oh, yeah, okay, cool.
Oh, I know this one is.
So, yeah, I mean, pretty obviously, we've got a new rear
Oh bloody hell! It's red, isn't it?
brake caliper ready to go on.
Is this one down
single
here?
Piston. Yeah, it is.
It's sticking in.
It just doesn't work. So this one works. This is solid. It works fine. You can see the piston actually looks fine. Good condition on the rubber. The rubber's actually in really good condition. I'm quite surprised by that. Well, they are.
Just being rude.
Oh, right. Okay, that's fine. So that'll go on. That's good to go as well. Happy with that. Really, really happy with that. I think there might be.
Is there any room for activities in here?
What do you mean?
Is there any room for activities?
Thing. No. So that is it. So the only other thing is in this, which is actually the bolts. Very, very particular bolts for the tubular bash bar at the front. These are all the bolts for them.
Awesome. That wasn't
Yeah.
attached at all when you got
It
the
wasn't
car.
attached at all. So now we can actually jack this up, put the bash bar on. So that's locked in, done now.
Yep.
So that's good. That's all the bolts for there. And then,
I'd say that's all.
then, ladies and
No, I
gentlemen.
don't think there's anything else. Oh no, there might be this weird pyramid. What was it? Trapezoid pyramid
Yeah.
shape.
This is the best part of this whole thing. Like, this is all finishing stuff. This is good. I'm happy about all of that. This is the thing I never thought I'd actually be able to find. At all. I just didn't think I would. So obviously you can tell what it is. Like, it's not rocket science.
No, it's one of those love dolls, isn't it?
You can tell what it is. It is a gearbox. But it's not just any gearbox. This is
An M&S gearbox.
no one's going to understand that.
I don't
these days.
care. That's my joke. That's for me.
This is a built gearbox. And this is going straight on the car tomorrow.
Is it?
Yeah. You
put-
know this?
No.
I told you this.
You didn't say this was going on.
Yes, I did.
You're putting this on?
Yes.
Oh my god.
I told you this.
didn't say shit, you
I
put-
did, guys. I actually did.
You didn't.
I thought you were doing a bit here. Do you actually not remember?
No, you didn't tell me it's going on.
I did.
You didn't.
I did because they're dropping the gearbox, so they might as well put the new one on. I told you
You
this.
didn't say that.
I fucking did.
Look, after this video, we're fucking checking these messages.
So this is a built gearbox, and I managed to, and I'll straight up tell you guys the price. This was £1,600, whereas a stock one that I could find was £950, and I just thought, why would you not spend a little bit more money on getting a built gearbox? Now, by built gearbox, it doesn't have new gears; they're shot-peened gears, which is a process which,
I'm laughing at peened. Go on.
fuck's sake. Anyway, so it's a process which strengthens the gears. So yes, they might be stock gears, but they're not stock gears, they are strengthened. And then the case is cryo-treated. And a cryo-treated case, because what happens, these gearboxes are terrible, basically. And it is only one type of gearbox for this car. It is not like a universal gearbox that was used on other cars.
It's not a Sylvia gearbox because
they're
they're transverse mount. It has to be
exactly.
a lot smaller than
They're
normal.
really hard to find.
Yeah.
And obviously, because they blow up, what happens is when a gear breaks, it jettisons itself out of the case. So if you have the case cryo-treated, which this one is, it strengthens it again even further, and the likelihood of that happening is very, very slim. So this one is going to go in, and then the stock one,
Which you didn't tell me about.
I fucking did. Anyway, the stock one's coming out, and then that one's going to get built. Why the hell not?
That's good. That's a good.
I've got 2 built gearboxes, one inside.
For when you inevitably blow this one up because you're running 500 horsepower. Oh, Nick, that massive turbo we managed to fit
Yeah.
ran the wrong way.
So,
It looks very good. It'll actually match your nice white.
I've actually got pictures of the interior. I'll leave them overhead now. Pictures of the interior of this box because I've seen it. Obviously, when you're buying a gearbox, you want to see the inside, and it's in mint condition. There's no oil in it at the moment, and it is in gear.
Oh, there's a little hole.
Hello. Hello in there. But it's been opened for inspection. And there you go. That is my palette of wonder.
Oh, it's nice to see a surface like this that's actually properly cleaned.
Well, it's been machined. I mean, you can tell it's been machined, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look.
But it's unusual for us, isn't it? Like, oh, it's not all
Yeah,
covered
no.
in goo. I mean, it is over here, but that's because it's been closed back up. But
Yeah.
here, ooh, that's
So,
great.
Yeah, so I did tell you, but it doesn't matter. But so there you go, guys.
Oh, yeah,
Ladies
to have
and
the
gents.
final word there. He didn't tell me.
Ladies and gents, so we've got new parts to go on. Not just yet. These will go on when the car comes back, I think. We need to do the bash bar in a moment, but I'll just do that. You don't need to see that.
Oh,
no!
phone call.
Stop it.
There we go.
Oh, what? Anyway, new gearbox. This goes in tomorrow, which I cannot wait for. And as part of all of that, there'll actually be some new bits inside that will go on as well, like new shifter, because that one's been snapped.
Yep.
There'll be a new
Big green
shift
bucket.
boot and a new shift knob. That'll almost be the interior done, actually, because along with the mats, the new shift boot and things like that, which you'll see, because I will show you some of that stuff. But there you go, guys, just a quick one. I'll tell you what, I will probably, if anyone is in the UK looking for parts, should I leave the breaker in the description box? Parts all to me. I know I'm torn between it, aren't I?
Are you giving away? Why don't you just say the parts that you take off your car if anybody needs one desperately? If someone's had a
guys,
crash,
actually, no, that is true. If anyone does want any of the parts which is coming off my car, like the front indicators,
all the rear lights still work, don't they?
the rear lights do actually work. Everything works. It's just that I want it to, like, these are just in better condition.
Yep.
And they're not bad. Just the rubber's just coming away a little bit, but it's not.
Well,
bad.
if you've got a smashed one, it's better than a smashed one, isn't it?
Yeah, true. So if anyone does want any of the parts which is coming off my car, let me know. Send me a message.
Wait until he drives it the first time. Lots of other stuff will come off.
The car will just blow up. Just take the car.
Yeah.
Go fuck myself. But yeah, guys, that's really the end of the video. It's a bit of an unboxing, I guess, to be fair. If you are new here, what do they need to do, Nick?
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, and also
Hit the bell icon if you
hit the bell icon
for notifications and all that jazz.
Yeah, and we also have PO Box because I opened one up for my main channel. So if you do want to send anything, please do. There's a link in the description box where there's the address in the description box. Please do. Hot Wheels, cars, shit like that.
Abuse.
Yeah, that's fine. But no, seriously, like, cause, it'd be funny if we could do some unboxings here on the channel as well as some funny stuff. So please do send some crap. But that's it.
Yep.
Cheers, guys. Take care.
Love you, bye.
I did tell you.